So before you toss those used coffee grounds, literally hold up. Not only can they work wonders for your skin, but they're also a secret weapon for your garden. Yep, you heard me. But first, let's talk about that glow up you can give your skin with a super simple DIY coffee scrub. Now, literally, here's what you'll need. You'll need half a cup of coffee grounds that, basically are already used. You'll need a quarter cup of coconut oil as well as 2 tablespoons of water. So, just a splash for the perfect consistency. Now, to make this coffee scrub magic work, all you got to do is mix all the ingredients together. So you're going to combine the coffee grounds, the coconut oil, and the water literally in a little bowl. You're going to stir it up until you get a nice, thick, scrubby paste. Then you're going to literally massage that paste onto your skin, gently rub it into your face or your body in circular motions, giving extra love to rough spots like elbows, knees, or even cellulite-prone areas, which this actual coffee scrub is perfect for. Now you're just going to rinse and glow. You can let it sit for a minute as the coffee does have antioxidants that are literally just doing their thing. And obviously just rinse it off to reveal smooth, radiant skin. But hey, literally the magic does not stop there. Coffee grounds are also garden superheroes. So if you're literally into garden, all you got to do is sprinkle those little leftover grounds around your plants. They literally add tons of nutrients to the soil. They help improve drainage and even can deter pests like slugs. So it's like literally giving your garden a natural energy boost, just like your skin. So next time you sip literally on that cup of coffee, remember, it's not just fueling your day, it's also fueling your skin as well as your garden. And the question is, which will you try first? Have fun.